Good morning, fifth grade. Today is Kaf Iyar, the 20th of Iyar, and I feel a little bit like a broken record when I say this, but I can't believe how fast time is going. That we're already getting towards the end of Iyar, and then it's going to be Sivan, and it's going to be Shavuot, and the school year is going to be over. I don't know. It's surprising me daily. We are learning Parshat Bahar and Parshat Bechukotai, and candle lighting is at 7:31. Let's count the Omer today. Yesterday was the 34th day of Sfirat HaOmer. Here's our bracha. Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam, asher kidshanu b'mitzvotav, v'tzivanu al Sfirat HaOmer. Hayom chamisha ushloshim yom, shehem chamisha shavuot laomer. Harachaman hu yachazir lanu avodat beit hamikdash limkoma bimhera v'yameinu, amen selah. So, today is 5 full weeks of the Omer, 35 days. So 5 weeks out of 7. That means that we're just really two weeks away from Shavuot. So we're going to be starting learning more about that next week. Okay, what have I got set up for you? The first thing is a reminder to complete the decoding assessments. I know it seems like this has been going on for a while, and I think that because there were so many of them, a couple of things happened. One is that it's very possible that I lost track of a couple of them just with all the emails coming in. That's possible. So if you have it in an email, you want to just resend me the email, we're good. That's fine. I have been looking really hard to make sure that everything got filed properly on my computer, but help me out here. If you already sent it, send it again. It's also possible that, just with it being so many days, that you might have filled it out and intended to send it and didn't. And then, of course, maybe it didn't get done, in which case, go ahead and do it. Let's see if we could wrap this up today and be done with it. Okay, I would like you to work in your workbook, the Shinantam, that's your Mishnah workbook, pages 5 and 6. Now, page 5 assumes that we're sitting in our classroom, and on the wall there are posters and signs with certain phrases on it that you're going to copy down into the proper place on page 5. Well, we're not in the classroom. I don't even have those posters. So in order to make it work, what I did is I made you a document that you'll see listed in the distance learning document that you can open that has all the phrases. On the first half of the page, it lists the phrases that you're going to divide up between the top boxes on page 5 and then the phrases that will go into the bottom boxes. Give a look at it. It'll make more sense when you see it. And then you'll do page 6. On page 6, there's a list of a bunch of Jewish books or sources. And they want you to decide which of them are Torah shebichtav, the written Torah, in other words, the Tanakh, and which things are Torah sheba'al peh, things that are the oral Torah, which basically is going to be any of them that aren't in the written Torah. So there will be names of books that you are probably not familiar with. Oh, I'm sure there are. And don't worry about that, because if you don't know them from being in the Tanakh, that means they're going to be Torah sheba'al peh. So you'll put that on the other side. And as you go through these 2 pages, you very well may find that there are terms that you don't understand, words you don't understand. Please make a list of them, because the last thing I want you to do is to send them to me, and I want then for us to make a lesson at another time where we're going to go over them and make sure we all understand the terms that we are talking about. Last thing is your exit ticket. And that's about it. So I wish you a good day. Let me know if you have questions. Send me an email. Meet me in my office hours, and we will get it all squared away today. And then tomorrow is Friday. I'll see you then.